Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to restart your Roku device with the remote and just by pressing buttons. So if for some reason your Roku is frozen or stuck or something like that, you want to press the home button 5 times, then up on the D-pad looking button, then the rewind button twice, and the fast forward button twice. So let's press the home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, rewind button twice. 1, 2. Fast forward button twice. And then it's going to be doing a bunch of stuff by itself on the screen. And then the TV won't do anything for like a minute, and then it will restart by itself. So it may take some time. So just do this. If you saw it like scrolling up and down by itself, that means it's going to be restarting here in a few minutes. So just give it some time and you should be good to go. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.